so today, back with EP3. Today is Dyno day. So, the last figure of the last video of the manifold was 223. So, how much is it going to make? Not sure. Hoping for mid-late. I reckon it's probably going to make 226 to 229 around there. Hopefully break 230, but I doubt it. Well, we'll say that with other things, but I reckon torque-wise, we should see in the 160. So I think that's the big gain's going to be the torque. I think we're at 147. So yeah, so just to recap, Tegwa induction kit, Tegwa cellular catback, and DC Sports exhaust manifold. Everything's all mated together, flanges are all perfectly joined. Yep, that's, I think I was actually saying one of the videos, about 50% of customers, this is where the sort of point to get to. And we fit the Hondata and tune them, and that's them happy. That's enough. People don't want to go any further, which you totally get. They want to keep the car a nice car to drive every day. Don't want to start messing with cams, and sometimes can take a lot of the drivability and sort of, yeah, just the niceness of the car, niceness of the car away. Just drivability. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. Car's the dyno. I'm gonna go ahead, recalibrate the dyno to the last run. Hondata, I'm gonna plug it in here, get it all set up with one of our base maps, and crack on and start working through this.
Cool.
Cool.
Here, so what do you actually think about getting a Scorpion on sticker for the back of the window?
We'll get somebody to prep one up, sure.
That's what we should call
We'll
this.
call Scorpion, Type 2 Scorpion crew.
This should be the name for this build.
That'll be the logo, new logo, one picture of Scorpion beside the Type 2 logo. There you go. Point at this mark so people can actually see. So
You're not going to be a focus because it takes you off.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to point out in our videos before, this is like the fuel ratio table for the dyno, so it obviously measures car being rich or lean, blah blah blah. So we can see the car, that's our guideline, 13 to 1 AFR. See the car's running rich everywhere. And our first figure, as you can see there, can you get onto it, Mark? It went from the manifold was 223 and 147. On our first run with our base file, it's done 228 and 155. So car's gaining. Saying the marker, it does sound a bit sus that it's our car and it's doing these figures, but I really put it down to maintenance. I think maintenance is key for keeping the car healthy. So yeah, go ahead, clean these fuel tables up, and then we'll crack on with cam timing. It might exceed 230. We'll see. We're gonna find out. We're gonna see. But yep, right. Go again. We're just letting the engine cool down, get the IATs exactly where we're going to start it so we can show a comparison, accurate comparison. Upstairs, the shop, as you've probably heard in the background, a fabricator's in working away today. He's working on a charge pipe on a turbo build, and then we're waiting something coming for that. So now he's cracking on with our new counter. He's went ahead and made all the steel for it. He's going to do stuff with the TIG welder. I've sort of given him free rein, I might just make it look industrial. He's that much older racking. I think he's going to start into today, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, there's a lot going on today. regards upstairs and the workshop. It seems to be, we're hopefully coming out of COVID. Hopefully we won't be how many lockdowns we've had? Two?
Two and a half.
2.5, yeah. Hopefully there won't be a third lockdown, hopefully, and then people can actually really start to come up here and actually see the place and see all the work that we're putting into it. Just people come and just enjoy their cars and have a look at some cool car parts. Yeah, these sorts of videos, especially the ones with the EP3, the shop EP3, seems to be getting really good engagement. So thank you. So yeah, we're going to keep cracking on, keep making these sorts of videos. But actually, maybe talk about 1,000 subscriber giveaway.
Yeah.
I think we skimmed over it in one of the other videos. There will be 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I know the last one we've seen, it was a bit smaller, it was a tag of a banner, but sure, it's a freebie. Somebody's getting a freebie. Roughly said about 1,000 subscriber special, as in the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be something decent. It's going to be it's going to be a car part. It's going to be a nice car part for somebody. So the way it's pretty much going to work is all subscribers up to 1,000, and then we'll probably have a sort of 2-week buffer. So everybody within that time frame, right up and over 1,000, they will automatically be entered into the giveaway to get this part. As sort of thank you for all subscribers and all support the channel's getting. And hopefully this actual 1,000 subscriber, whoever wins with 1,000 subscribers, will be able to come up and actually come and get their part from us once the whole lockdown kerfuffle is hopefully away, and we're going to start enjoying what seems to be summer coming.
Don't speak too soon. It was snowing yesterday.
It was snowing 2 days ago. It's like, oh Jesus. Right, we'll go check EP3 and see if it's cooled down enough.
Yep.
And see what the final figure's going to be.
Sweet.
Going on. Okay, yeah.
Yep.
Good. Okay, final run. What are we at? Wow. You want to see us, Mark? So there's the hash run there. We did 2 runs pretty much beside each other. Hash run is run 10, which is 232.94, so 233 and 159.65. So yeah, you can still see in the graph it's struggling to breathe up top, which is totally normal with these. We usually that's why we fit the intake manifold, the big throttle body, that always helps it. But yeah, it definitely is. We car just keep giving. It really does. It's a fantastic wee car. So it is. Really looking forward to getting the intake manifold and the bigger throttle body all fitted to it. So I think the next video with this will be the intake manifold comparison. So far I think we have Skunk 2 Ultra, we have PPR, we have RRC, RBC. We don't have the Skunk 2 Pro series though. You have that, and then you have the copy, the M2, the Tactical Racing. Mainland UK, they had a copy of it, which all those manifolds seem to be pretty much identical. They're all, as far as I'm concerned, they're all still made in the same factory in China. All the more, even the Skunk 2s, I think they are, to hold me that. But I think the main players are going to be the PPR, Ultra Series, which is probably the most popular one, RRC and RBC. RBC would probably be I'd say the second most popular. People putting in a wee Honda part on the car, so that will definitely be. We probably will film getting the radiator and all fitted to it, because we'll have to get all those parts fitted to get to that point. I think actually what we'll do actually in the video when we're going to is we'll do the valve clearances in the Smart. Remember somebody said in the comments about valve clearances?
Yeah.
We'll do the valve clearances and see what difference that makes. I can't see it being that much difference. Car pushing near 233 horsepower. Yeah, great wee car.
So we went from just on the exhaust and all that there shit, we went from
started at 205.
Yep.
That was the base run.
Yep.
And it jumped to
217.
213 was it? It was 8 horsepower with just the induction kit.
Yep.
It then only jumped 1 peak with the exhaust, but it jumped 5 from 7,000 on.
Yep.
So technically it gained 5 horsepower on just the catback. The manifold it jumped, so it was We're with 213.5 to 17, so and then it went from 217 to 223 with the manifold, and there today with just tuning it with all those parts fitted, it's went from 223 to 233 tuning it today, but it's also jumped 147, 160, so it's jumped 13 foot-pound of torque as well. So
Goes to show you just.
I'm convinced this car, we've maintained this car for 9 years, and I'm convinced that's what's kept the engine so healthy, is the maintenance. Plus we've done chain and everything in this car. We're actually planning to do the chain again. That was the guts. I think it was near 80,000 miles ago we did the chains in this car. It was about 80 odd K we did the chain, 70, 80 K, so yeah. But yeah, it's another video showing exactly the gains are made in stages with these three cars. Yeah, so we'll wrap this one up. That's another yeah, we're pleased with that one, another one. So yeah, usual. If you please like the video, likes help us so much. Videos, the analytics are responding so well, the engagement with all of you guys. So please comment on this, tell us what you think of it, and like and subscribe. We'll see you next one.